Okay, next, care of skin. So how we can care of skin?
Wash us.
How we can care our skin? ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ
Skin.
take
a bath.
Take a bath every day. When to take a bath?
Morning.
Yes, in the morning. Before having itself, we have to take a bath. So when you are taking bath before having itself, your skin also will become good. Okay, it will be away from the germs and your blood circulation will be proper. Okay, so after having meal or after if you take there is no use of taking bath on that time. Only your body will become clean. That's all. When you want your blood circulation should be proper, take a bath in the morning before eating. Understood? Next.
Keeping our skin moisture.
Skin moisturizer. Well, that is like depending on the seasons. According to the seasons, we have to moisturize our skin. Next. We should not take very hot water bath. Okay, it should not be very hot. It will damage your skin or cell something. Okay, it will damage. If you take very hot water bath, no, it will damage. It will damage your tissues. Okay, then next. After the bath, we have to wipe properly. Okay, listen. Bathing is the best way to keep the skin clean. The soap used should be of good quality and should not irritate the skin. Depending on the season, the water should be warm or tepid. Such a water has the best cleaning effect on the skin. It also helps to increase the blood supply to the skin and activates the sweat glands. We must take at least one bath in a day, preferably in the morning and before our meals. A very hot bath, even in winter, is harmful as there is a danger of exposure to cold. Okay, cold bathing may be taken by the young persons, but it should be very short and quickly. Understood? Clear? Yes? Okay. After the bath, the skin should be rubbed dry vigorously with a clean, dry towel. Okay, this is very beneficial as it dries and massages the skin. This improves the blood circulation to the skin and makes it glow. Okay, so after taking the bath, we have to wipe our skin properly. Okay, not to wipe very hard, like roughly. Okay, very harshly. Next, care of hair. How are you going to care your hair?
Washing oil and applying oil.
So applying oil and we have to comb it properly. Okay, then. So at least weekly once we have to take a head bath. Okay, otherwise dust will be there. Okay, oil massage. That is you are applying oil. For the dry hairs, if you apply oil more, your hairs will become smooth. Okay, next.
We should not take very hot water.
Yes, we should not take hot water bath for the hairs. It should be like medium, normal water. Not too cold also, normal. Okay, but it should not be hot. So when you take the hot water bath, your hair will become damaged and rough. Okay, rough also, your hair will become rough. Next, diet is also very important. What are the sufficient nutrients you have to take? Okay, for your hair. Do you want me to read the same things are there in this? Okay, the hair should also be kept clean properly, combed and dressed. Dirty hair leads to breeding of lice. You know lice? Everybody knows lice? You know lice in there? ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹುಳ Okay, laser. Next, falling of the hair and many skin diseases. Oily hair needs frequent washing and cleaning as the dust and dirt stick easily to the oil. Dry hair can be kept soft and glossy with the oil massage to the scalp before the head bath. Okay, if you take before the head bath, if you do oil massage, your hair become soft. Okay, we should wash our hair at least once a week. Okay, understood? Next, besides a balanced diet, proper sleep and protection from the strong sunshine are also essential for healthy and glossy hair. Okay, next, care of our hands. How are you going to care your hands? Nails. Okay. So almost we will use our hands to work. Almost all the time. We need hands. Okay, to do something. So we need hands. So hands only most probably becomes dirt. First, hands only will become dirt. So we have to clean our hands properly. Okay, before eating, before taking a meal, we have to wash. Okay, use some soft soap and wash your hands. Okay, so that germs will go away. Understood? That is very important. Okay, hands must be specifically cleaned with soap and clean water. Okay, then before preparing, cooking, serving or eating the food. Understood? This is mainly important. So before eating, teach your children also. Before eating, go for hand wash. Wash your hands. Okay, they will give hand wash something liquid. So by using that, they can wash their hands. Okay, understood? Next, the nails should be kept clean and trimmed short. Okay, nails. So check your students' nails every time, like once in a week. Okay, the nails should be trimmed. And long dirty nails harbor disease causing germs of various intestinal parasites like hookworm, threadworms and roundworms. Our nails should be cleaned with a nail brush, soap and clean water. If you are not cleaning your nails, if there is a dirt in your nails, it goes inside and all the worms will start inside your stomach. Okay. Next, care of eyes. How are you going to care your eyes? Not to watch mobiles. Okay. Then. Okay. So when we wash our face, right, we have to clean our eyes also. Okay. Put some water. Open your eyes widely and pour water. Put some water. Okay. We have to clean our eyes also. And not to put more chemical, kajal, eyeliner, everything. Okay, like chemical one, which is protective that you can use. Okay, so which is no chemical, which is not suitable for your skin. Don't use that. Okay, so dirty eyes can lead to eye infection, which is not checked, can spread to other people and can result in affecting the vision. Okay, therefore, all causes of sore eyes must be attended immediately. When we wash our face, we must also clean our eyes and use clean cloth or towel to wipe our face and eyes. Okay, use the clean one. Okay, clean cloth to wipe our eyes. While working, we should be careful that the light is good. Okay, working this poor light stains the eye, causes defects in vision and accidents. The light should be bright but not excessive or causing glare. It should be fall on your work and come from behind. Excessive light from front causes dazzling effect, which is harmful. If there are any defects in vision, we should see doctor. It will help to correct the defects. Okay, so when you are working, suppose you are reading, right? The light should be proper. It should be focused on that. Okay, not more also. If it is more like mobile lightning and all, no, it harms our eyes. Okay, so when you are working, the light should be proper. Understood? If you are getting any like washing problem, immediately consult a doctor. Okay. Next, clothing. Clothing also is very important. Man, like animals, does not have any natural covering to protect himself from extreme cold or heat and variation of the atmosphere. So, clothing according to the season wise, we are going to wear our clothes, right? So, when it comes to the summer, so what clothes you are going to wear? Cotton clothes. Yes, cotton clothes. That keeps our body cool. Okay, cotton clothes. So when it is winter season, woolen clothes. Okay, so you want to wear woolen clothes to protect us from the cold. Okay, so when it's raining also we can use a raincoat, umbrella, all that things we can use. According to the season wise, we are going to use our clothes. Understood? So that also it will avoid us from the skin diseases. Okay. Then eating habits. So what are the good eating habits? The main thing, we have to eat balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? Yes, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, nutrients, minerals, vitamins, everything should be equal. Equal in the sense, we needed carbohydrates more. We are getting energy from the carbohydrates. So, in which vegetables we will get the, not vegetables, what is that? Cereals we will get the carbohydrates. Rice, wheat, ragi. In all this, no, they are rich in carbohydrates. We will get energy. Okay, bread also, that is only for the energy. But we are not getting any minerals and vitamins what our body is needed. Okay, only for energy, that is bread and all, only for energy. You will, if you eat that, you will get energy, but other things and all you are not getting. If you want to get vitamins, minerals, all that things, you have to eat the vegetables. Okay, so fats will be there in the oil. Okay, oil and ghee, which is there in the ghee fat, no, that is good for your body, good for your health. Which fat is contained in ghee, that is good. But which is contained in the junk foods and all, no, that is not good for your body. Okay, so like oily items, we can see the fat. Okay, vitamins and minerals, it is contains in the vegetables, fruits. Okay, all that things. Understood? So balanced diet. You have to maintain a balanced diet.